I believe what I get paid, $17 an hour, isn't much, but it's better than average, at least in my state. So I currently earn $17 an hour. I have listed some points of how I managed to save some money. Let's just go straight into it. So number one is just learning how to live on a half my income, and it's recently changed a lot because I've moved in. I have this whole entire setup now. I mean, I had it before, but now I can actually record in my room or in my game room. So I pretty much I kind of do like a 50-30-20 split, but instead of 50, well, yeah, that's instead of 50 just being needs, I just split it to savings. So I save every paycheck, I save around 200, $250, and I get paid weekly too. So that's already half my week gone. So for me, I always want to save first. That's like the most important bill. I think of it as a bill, like, oh, I need to do this. Like before anything else, oh, I need to save money. And that's how I do it. Living off half my income isn't easy. I mean, before I was living off half my income, I had money for everything. Like right now, just my PC setup, my camera that I'm recording on, just stupid stuff. I mean, of course, it's nice to have it, but yeah, number one, living on half of my income. I currently live with roommates, so I'm able to actually save so much money, guys. Uh, I only pay 500 in rent. I'm 20 years old. I'm just starting my adult life, and I feel like it was best to get roommates. At first, I didn't really want to get a roommate at all because, oh, if I'm gonna move out, I want to live by myself. But saving like a few $100s just to live with somebody, like we all team up, all my roommates, we all group up and be like, oh, split groceries and stuff like that. So it's actually cheaper in the long run. And of course, I've known my roommates for a while. I've known my roommates for years and years and years. One of them was my childhood friend. I knew that guy since kindergarten or first grade. So without much ado, straight. Number two is just not eating out much. I used to eat out a lot, like every single day when I had a chance to, right after work, right before work, just eating junk food. Like I used to eat so much Taco Bell. It's kind of ironic, but of course I don't work there anymore. I still wear the shirts. I don't know why, but a shirt's a shirt. But I don't really eat out much. Maybe like once a week, or yeah, just once a week, or like once every 2 weeks. I don't want to deprive myself of going out or eating out because I think everyone should like they should accept like, oh, going out like one time a week is fine, perfectly fine for going out. So where do I eat out at? Really, it's just buffets, really, or it's just like quick fast food restaurant. But I still try to maintain like a healthier diet, you would say. I know it don't look like it, but all right. Number three is just so my job. I get paid 17, but of course I work 40 hours because I'm full time there. But I actually get offered overtime, so I take up overtime and I actually save the overtime, or I use overtime to actually like, oh, I split how much percent of overtime, like, oh, 80% of the overtime I work goes to my savings, and the other 20 is careless spending. Because why would I work that much just to not enjoy the money that I earn too? So you don't have to just fully strictly save like, oh, I can never go out or I can never step out of the house or anything like that. Just for your sanity, it's okay to go out once in a while. I'm not saying go out and party every single day, but yeah. Number four is, everyone knows how online shopping is. You just click it a few times, put in your credit card, your debit card, and just buy now. So for me, I actually wait a few days before I make a purchase, just for that factor of just making sure, like, oh, I actually want this thing. It's not something like something impulsive, like, oh, I want this. I was like, wow, this thing seems nice right now. But that's what I do. I wait a few days or maybe even a week just to save some extra cash. Like, let's say I wanted to buy this. this dresser or something like that. It's like it's expensive, guys. Even if it's something cheaper, it's like I wait a few days just to make sure, like, do I really want this thing? I don't want to keep. I don't want to have this mindset of, oh, I'm an adult now. I can get what I want. I mean, it is nice having that mentality, or not that mentality, but like nice being actually able to afford your own stuff without having to worry about anyone like bother you about it. But waiting a few days just to purchase something like puts my mind to it like, oh, I really want this. Like, this is technically like an essential to me. I apologize. I don't know what's going on. I have a cough, but yeah, that really beats impulsive thoughts. I don't really do this as much, but tracking like your spendings. I know it's kind of wrong for me saying like, oh, how is this guy a financial YouTuber giving advice on, finance if he doesn't track every single dollar? A lot of people realize, a lot of people do not realize that you don't have to track every single penny just to make it in life. If you keep tracking every single dollar, every single second of your life, you're pretty much you will spend too much time on it and you become overwhelmed and overstressed. You start thinking like, oh, where did this money come from? Or like, oh, how did this money go to that? And if I tracked every dollar, I feel like for me, if I kept doing that, especially now since the gas prices are actually rising, I would lose my mind because gas is not cheap. My car only takes premium. I'm actually thinking about selling my car just for a commuter car. I mean I drive a commuter car, but I do not, bro. Premium for me, at least for my area, is $4, which is really expensive considering it used to be $1 cheaper, like not even a month ago. But yeah, you shouldn't track every single dollar. I make 17 an hour, so last skill is just learning how to invest in yourself. And I know I I talk about this a lot, but what I mean was like, at least for me, I'm 20, I'm young. I need to invest in my skills. I need to learn how to do more things. Like, what do I bring to the table? I can't just show up and expect to get paid like $30 an hour if I don't know anything about it. Like, it doesn't have to be college. It doesn't have to be blue collar. It doesn't have to be anything. Like, you don't have to take the traditional route whenever it comes to investing in your own skills. And a lot of people invest in their own skills by furthering their education and actually learning more in depth, which is good. But like a lot of people don't realize that you can actually do that stuff yourself. You just have to have the motivation. And I know some people in college, they just go to college just because like, oh, I'm paying this much already for it. Might as well go. And currently, I won't lie, I have this mindset when it comes to me in the gym. I'm really inconsistent, but that's besides the point. Just investing in skill sets or just learning how to do stuff, it improves your skill. It doesn't even have to be like just day to day life. It could be something that's gonna take years and years to build up because eventually it'll pay off. And that's all I have for today's video, guys. I didn't really talk about how much like I earn and everything besides like 17 an hour, but going over again, I live off half my income, which is actually pretty doable. It's kind of tight, but I still have like a few $100s to like spend, which is kind of crazy because I don't earn that much in the first place. So that's number one. Number two is not eating out much. I used to eat out so much, guys, but once you stop eating out, like there's $20 saved right in your pocket or right in your bank account. Number three is being able to work overtime and just saving the overtime, or like the 80/20, save 80% of my overtime and spend 20%, just because you want to live life a little bit, but you don't want to be too strict. Number four is learning how to wait a few days before I make a purchase. That really like, I guess, solidifies my purchase. Like, oh, like I need this, and I wait a few days, like, oh, I still need this. And not tracking every single dollar. If you track every single dollar, you're just gonna become overwhelmed with stress, and you're really gonna start thinking to yourself like, dang, am I like, why is this even worth it? But I'm my own person. People are their own person. We all have different thoughts, so maybe tracking every dollar is good for you. But for me, at least, whenever I tried tracking my dollar or tracking every penny, it was just stressed me out. And as a financial influencer, I guess tracking every dollar isn't necessary, guys. You guys just need to automate it. Just automate everything. A lot of YouTubers talk about it, but just automating stuff and you get you'll build wealth. You won't just get rich, you'll build wealth. You build a good habits. And lastly is just investing in skills. That means just I guess just learning a trade, or you could go to college, or you can even like learn how to animate. Digital art is something that's so amazing, but you gotta find the right connections, which is actually pretty hard. But that's all I have for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. Skibidi toilet. Thank you, guys.